Hey, it's Ramey here at the UMI Race Shop with another product spotlight. In front of me we have our new part number 3668 sway bar for 1965 to 1970 GM B-Body Chevy specific, so for Caprice and Impala. So these cars wallow around a lot and sometimes didn't even have a sway bar or came with a really small one. This one is 1.125" diameter, so it's a nice upgrade to the handling, makes the car corner nice and flat. It includes the proper length end links and also greasable polyurethane bushings. It's important to note that there is minor drilling required to install these bushings on your 1965 to 1970 Impala or Caprice. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.